Hey you! You're a speedrunner and you stream on Twitch? Does your cam background look as bland as this? What if I tell you it doesn't have to? It could look like this if your run is going really well, or like this if you're a bit behind. But if you finally do achieve that PB, why don't I have the room party with you? Oh no, that's too much party. Hi, I'm Davey, and I made this little add-on for LiveSplit to sync with your smart lights and show how your run is going. Introducing LiveHUE. Your run is green, your lights turn green. Your run is red, and your lights turn red. And of course, it's highly configurable. For now, I've implemented two ways to control your lights, with the HTTP GET requests and via if this and that. With GET requests, some devices can be controlled over your local network. It's fast, but it does need some knowledge to configure. A lot of devices can be controlled over if this and that though. It's easy to configure, but since it does run on the cloud, it takes a couple of seconds to apply. If there's demand, I might implement some modes for NanoLeafs or Philips Hue using their respective APIs for easy configuration and fast update times. But as I didn't have any smart lights on hand, and I didn't want to spend loads of money for this project buying expensive lights, I did the next best thing. I built my own. Using a Node MCU and some spare addressable LEDs I had lying around from this project, I'll put the link somewhere. I flashed the Node with McLighting. It's a sweet project that turns your Node MCU or any ESP microcontroller into a fully controllable smart light. It's by far the cheapest option, and if you buy the parts new, it would be like around 10 bucks I think, compared to over 100 for other options. If you want to build your own, I'll post a link down in the description. Now let me show you how to configure LiveHUE. When opening LiveHUE, you can't connect straight to LiveSplit. You have to go to your LiveSplit first, right-click, go to Control and Start Server. Then go to LiveHUE and click Connect. Your split states are now shown here. You can enable GET requests by clicking on Web Requests and enabling them. Whenever the state of your run changes, a different GET request will be sent. Those can be set up here. First, you need to know your light's IP address. If you don't have that on hand, you can use any IP scanner like Advanced IP Scanner or look it up in your router's web interface. As you can see, my light is called McLighting and its IP address is 192.168.1.105. Now enter HTTP and the IP address, followed by the API command to update your light accordingly. For my light, this is set $M equals 0 and RGB equals 00, FFFF, and P equals 255. This sets the light mode to 0, which is static color mode, and no animation, and sets the color to a hex value of 00FFFF. This should be a nice teal blue. The easiest way to get a hex color code is just to Google color picker, and you get this nice interface where you can pick your color and see its hex value down here. And finally, P sets the brightness to 255, which is maximum. Now, just repeat this for the other states. For green, I will set the color to 00FF00, so green. For red, I'll set it to red. Now for the end of the run, I'll set it to the same teal as for the start. Now when I get a PB, I want something special. I'll type set $M equals 12 and S equals F155. So my lights will display this nice rainbow effect. And that's the setup for my light. For more information on the McLighting REST API, you can visit its documentation page. I'll post it in the video description. If you want to use your existing lights like Philips Hue or NanoLeaf, you can easily do that using IFT. IFT is an online service that allows you to automate a lot of things that are connected to the internet. We'll be using it to connect our smart lights. In LiveHUE, all you need to do is enter your make key. To get that, visit ift.com, click on your profile image and select My Services. Here, scroll down to Webhooks and click on Documentation. Copy your key and paste it in LiveHUE, but keep it a secret. Anyone with that key could control your lights. These are the events that will be sent to IFT. You can use these or choose your own. But that's all we have to do here. Now we'll have to set up IFT to talk to your lights. Back on the IFT website, click on Create, if this, then search Webhooks. Click Receive a web request and now enter the name you want to set up. I'll type green and click Create Trigger. Then click on Then That. Now you'll have to choose your smart light brand, like Philips Hue or Nanoleaf. My room is connected via Smart Life, so I'll choose that to demonstrate. Here I'll activate a scene and choose Dimmer On. Click Create Action and continue and finish to finish. Now, if I start a run, my room light will turn on. There we go, that has been LiveSplit for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. And if you like the project, leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, get that PB!